everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by Blake again, and we're going to be filming trying everything pumpkin spice. Do you like pumpkin spice?
It's okay.
I'm not a humongous fan of pumpkin spice. I like it in small quantities or when it's not super strong. So we'll see how this goes. We have a lot of things to try in this bag, and if we do not try one of your favorite treats, leave it down in the comments down below so we can do this video again next year. The first things we're gonna try are the things we had to cook. So let's do these. Bantam bagels, pumpkin spice. So it's cinnamon bagel with pumpkin spice cream cheese. Whoops. All right, cheers. Whoop.
That's good.
I don't like that. Blake, no cursing.
Oh, I like this. It's very good.
Do you want mine? It tastes like baby food to me.
Because you eat baby food all the time, right?
I don't like it.
Yeah, it tastes like baby food. She eats baby food, guys.
It tastes like baby food. How would you scale it on a rating of 1 to 5?
About an 8.
On a 1 to 5 scale?
Oh, like a 4.
I give it a 1.5.
All right.
Do you want this one or no?
No, not right now.
Okay. All right, next we're gonna try Nature's Path Organic Gluten-Free Pumpkin Spice. I used to eat these all the time when I was vegan. Not the pumpkin spice, but just that brand. I didn't put anything on this just because I thought we should have a real authentic taste without any syrup or butter getting in the way.
1 out of 5.
It tastes like cardboard.
It's terrible.
Doesn't even have a spice.
Probably because it's gluten-free.
It doesn't taste like bad, like gluten-free bad. It just doesn't have any pumpkin spice in it.
No. It's like a cinnamon waffle.
It doesn't,
Like
I
a
don't even
bland
taste the
cinnamon waffle. Yeah.
Well,
It's terrible.
I'm gonna give it a 1. Sorry, Nature's Path Organic, vegan, gluten-free. All right, next up we've got the Pillsbury pumpkin spice roll with pumpkin spice frosting.
That sounds like a lot going on.
I know. I feel like it's really strong, but look how good it looks. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be too much.
I just think like these are the type of things where we just keep it normal. We don't need pumpkin everything.
Oh, that's good.
That's too much. That's too
much.
much.
I like that. You don't like it?
That's too sweet. Too much pumpkin. It's just too. It tastes like if you had a pumpkin spice latte, that artificial pumpkin taste. It's like a little's okay.
This is so good.
Little's okay. It's balanced out. This is just boom in your face.
Ooh,
I like the Bantam bagels because it was a little more subtle. I
think the complete opposite. I think these are so much more subtle. These just taste kind of like regular cinnamon rolls.
About to make my own YouTube channel. Don't listen to her. No. The Bantams were good because it had a pumpkin cream cheese and it was balanced out with the bagel. This is just all pumpkin. So, yeah.
4 out of 5 in my opinion.
No. It's like a 2 out of 5.
So good. I'm even gonna lick my fingers.
Ugh.
You want some?
No. I wouldn't even eat that.
You want some?
See? It's not even.
She
gave it a second thought. It took her like 5 seconds.
All right, now we are getting into. Oh, I forgot to grab the ice cream. I'll go grab it and I'll put these away in a second. Let's get in. Before we do the ice cream, we will do the dry products.
Much stuff.
Yeah, we have a lot to try. My favorite LaCroix, if anyone wanted to know. Okay, so first up, we're gonna do these. They're the Little Debbie pumpkin spice rolls.
Those look like the things, what are they called? The log rolls?
Yeah.
I don't know the proper name.
Log rolls.
Pumpkin log, I think
Let's
it's
just
called.
share one of these. because they're pretty massive.
It's probably gonna be hecka sweet.
Here, I'm just gonna take a bite and give it to you. It doesn't taste like anything.
No, it doesn't. I don't taste pumpkin at all.
I don't really like it. It tastes like
Like
just
the
hecka
filling.
artificial, you know?
Yeah.
Sorry, little Debbie. This one's gonna be a no for me. Blech. That taste in my mouth.
Yeah. It's very.
Too artificial. These we've actually already tried.
Oh yeah, those are fire.
Pumpkin cheesecake. These are available at Target. Oh, look, you want to share the last one with me?
I'm good.
I want to try it just to validate that they're delicious.
Yeah, those are like a 3.5 out of 5.
Want one? And Nala likes them too. You can't see her in the camera, but she likes them.
Those are like 3.5. Just like-
Yeah, they're really good. Although the maple ones that they have at Publix right now, those are out of this world. All right, next we have the Pepperidge Farm Pumpkin Cheesecake Soft Baked Cookies. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a big fan of these Pepperidge Farm cookies. So I don't know how this is gonna go.
Are they soft, it said?
Yeah. Here you go.
These remind me of something. I can't think of it.
They're okay. I don't really taste the cheesecake. I just taste pumpkin.
Yeah.
I give them a 3.
Yeah. It's like a 3. It's a good pumpkin cook, but
Yeah, nothing exciting.
once you
really.
try it, you're done, you know?
Yum. Not really. Okay, next up, okay, these technically aren't pumpkin. They're the Oreo maple cream, but I
Oh, we
thought,
can avoid those.
why? They're fall. Thought we should try them for fall. Here, we'll just share one.
Disgusting.
Way too
That is
sweet.
disgusting.
Woo!
Ew. Who's like, you know what I want to try? Let me get some of the maple cream Oreos, bud.
All of this food will be coming to work with me tomorrow. And my employees can eat it. Oh, I need another sip. Moving on, we have got
Oh, those would probably be fire.
the Archer Farms Pumpkin Spice Cream-Filled Rolled Wafers. Again, from Target, the Archer Farms. So, let's see how these taste. I feel like these will be good. I feel like these will be balanced, you know? Should we just take our own or you want to split one?
I'll give it a go.
They're good. I don't really taste pumpkin though.
Yeah, the filling does.
Like a tiny, tiny hint. Like microscopic. They just taste like normal ones to me.
They taste like pumpkin. Definitely tastes like
Oh
pumpkin.
yeah, I taste a little now. There's like an aftertaste. I don't taste it while I'm eating it.
These are okay. These would be good with,
Coffee?
yeah, probably with some coffee.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So we have the Archer Farms Pumpkin
What?
Spice Pretzels.
Why? This is what I mean when it's just too much.
Everybody wants to get involved.
Oh, so it's a coating. Okay.
Ooh, I can smell it.
Oh, buddy, this is gonna be a heavy hitter.
Ugh, I don't think I'm gonna like this.
Yo! I
That's
like
really
those. You get a little saltiness from the pretzel, and it balances out that super sweetness, you know, from the pumpkin spice.
Yeah, and they smell super strong, but they don't taste like super strong.
Cool. You can't eat a lot of them though.
No,
Because
there's
it's
definitely a
still
lot of sugar.
heavy pumpkin.
16 grams of sugar in 9 pretzels.
That's insane, dude. 200. Wow.
200 calories and 9 pretzels.
Woo, baby. Yeah, you definitely. Those are good though.
That sugar's starting to hit right here.
Oh, stop. Would you stop? Would you stop? Since when?
This a lot
Marissa.
of sugar.
Oh, Marissa.
All right, Blake. I feel like I don't remember if you've tried
She's had
these.
like 5 bites of stuff. Whoa, the sugar's hitting me
It's because
now,
it's really
baby.
strong.
It's
Okay.
hitting me now, baby.
Okay, so next, M&M's pumpkin pie.
Wait. Are you gonna make it through this?
Shut up. Have you had these before?
I haven't had like any of these, Riz.
I don't think I'm gonna like these because it's gonna be white chocolate, and I don't like white chocolate. Here, I bought 2. Again, it doesn't taste like pumpkin pie.
That one I don't. That one doesn't taste like pumpkin.
It just
It tastes like white chocolate.
Yeah.
Like white chocolate M&Ms.
Why call it pumpkin if you can't taste pumpkin at all? You know what I'm saying?
It does say white pumpkin pie, so maybe they're focused on the white part of it. I don't know.
I guess.
Still don't taste the pumpkin, G.
All right, last but not least,
Oh, this is.
Pop-Tarts pumpkin pie. And then we're gonna do the ice cream. What did you say? Oh, this is. What were you gonna say?
It's just why, you know? I guess they gotta market, but
Because of
I think the world's-
weirdos like us who are doing this video and spent
guess
$40 on all of these
guess
treats.
so.
Here's what they look like. I feel like these could actually be good.
Looks like a brown sugar Pop-Tart
Yeah,
on
it
the
does.
inside.
Tastes like a brown sugar Pop-Tart, but a little less strong.
I taste a pumpkin in it.
We haven't been rating anything in a while. Oh well.
Whatever.
These are pretty good. I feel like if they were toasted, they might be better.
Yeah, these are a bit better toasted. And then this is like a 2. That's like a 2 out of 5, 2.5 out of 5. That's just why I eat it. That's how I feel. I'm not a big Pop-Tart dude. Ali, you wanna try? Bagels. Bagels, mommy. Where you at? Yeah, check. Take it. Take it.
Now let's spit. She literally spit the Bantam bagel out. She literally spit it out. It's sitting right here. I knew she didn't like it. She's not eating it. She doesn't like it. My dog is on my side. Are you gonna come eat ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, let's get this party started. Okay, I'm gonna save the Ben & Jerry's for last because I feel like that one's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna do the low-calorie Halo Top dairy-free coconut milk pumpkin pie.
Why'd you get the dairy-free one?
I didn't realize that it was dairy-free, to be honest, until just this moment. There's your spoon. Jeez.
Jeez!
Yeah.
It's gotta be extra, G.
Mm-mm. Nope.
Oh, Lord.
I don't even know how to describe it. It's like no flavor. It tastes like cardboard again.
Oh, it really does. It tastes like a wet cardboard that's been sitting in your car for about a week.
Gross.
That one's nasty. That's the worst yet.
Do not recommend.
I would pay to not eat that. You know?
Yuck. Okay. Next up, Blake saw this last night.
This looks good.
Pumpkin cheesecake. Ben & Jerry's. Sorry about the Nala hair on the bottom. Blake's been asking me to eat it since last night.
Ooh, it's been looking good.
I told him he had to wait. I can't get it to open. There we go. And so now he finally gets to try. If we both like it, who's gonna get to eat it? No comment. Okay, ready? Looks better than the Halo Top, that's for sure. Oh, that's good.
That's the best thing for sure.
It's because you can really taste the cheesecake. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it's just like pumpkin.
Oh, it's like a good balance. It's not like over. No. Oh, it's good.
That's how pumpkin should be used right there. Like
this is a 5 out of 5 right here.
Like this, we shouldn't. You know, we don't need to do this. We can also avoid Pop-Tarts. We can just stop these. Stuff like this.
Keep it going.
This right here, this is the truth right here. This goes well together. Like pumpkin pie, that's heat. Pumpkin cheesecake, but no, it's just that subtle touch of the pumpkin. That's what we need. We don't need all this stuff. So
yeah,
that's the best.
Look, even Nala wants a bite.
Nala wants it. What's your top 3?
Definitely Ben & Jerry's 1. Pillsbury rolls 2. Pretzels 3.
I would go with number 3 is the pretzels. They're salty. I like sweet and salty, so they have a little saltiness. The pumpkin, they're really good. I like the Bantam bagels a lot. Those are really good because cream cheese and pumpkin just go really well, and that did awesome. And then the Ben & Jerry's, yeah, definitely the best.
There you have it, folks.
Ben & Jerry's. Get you some of that. That's a hitter right there. Ooh, them calories, yeah.
That's why it tastes so good, because it's not Halo Top. That's $3.60 for the pint.
It's crazy.
I'm just saying. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a big old thumbs up, and maybe for Christmas we'll do trying everything peppermint.
Oh Jesus. All right.
Peppermint. What else is Christmassy? Cinnamon?
No.
Trying everything peppermint. Maybe. And then next year we'll do this again and try some new products. So anyway, guys.
Give it a thumbs up for Rissy's jokes.
So
they're just so great.
You're so cute, Blakey.
All right, time to go. Goodbye, guys.
And let us know in the comments down below what your favorite pumpkin spice item is. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on Thursday with a vlog. Bye. Bye.